Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to make iPhone keyboard larger. Follow these easy steps to easily make your iPhone keyboard large. First of all, go to your iPhone settings and here tap on display and brightness. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and under display you'll find display zoom. Just tap on that. And here we have to select larger text or zoom. Then tap on done. Tap on use zoomed. Tap on done. And now I'm going to my notes and opening my keyboard again. And now as you can see, this is my current keyboard and I'm going to show you my previous keyboard screenshot. So I'm opening my Photos app and opening the keyboard screenshot. And this was my previous keyboard and this is my current keyboard. As you can see, this keyboard is a little bit larger than this keyboard. So this is how we can actually make our iPhone keyboard larger. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.